Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this pink, brown, and white and green halo eye. So if you want to see how I created it, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be priming my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And I'm going to blend it out using my Alter Ego concealer brush and then set it all in place using the Coty Airspun translucent setting powder to set it all in place. Now, to be totally honest with you, I didn't know which direction I was going when I created this look, and almost like maybe 10-15 minutes into it, I was ready to scrap the whole damn thing because it was looking a hot ass mess. But I was like, you know what, Alicia, just push through, you never know. And sure enough, when this look was over and done with, I was feeling the hell out of myself. I'm so proud that I didn't give up on it because, like, I'm sorry, like, not even to toot my own horn, this look is bomb as fuck. But anyways, for this look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. And I'm going in with the shade Inheritance using my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm applying that as my brow bone highlight. Then I went in with the Alter Ego blending brush and the shade Bahamas, and I'm applying this slightly above my crease. And this is going to act as a second transition shade. This whole palette, the pigmentation and everything was extremely bomb. Everything blended great. Nothing was patchy. Everything was just all of that. Like, I fell in love with this damn palette. Truth be told, I actually created this look back in March. I'm so sorry, don't drag me. Life happens. Freaking mom duties, school, work, depression, everything you can think of, just life in general. So that's why I'm just finally getting around to showing you guys this look now. But I'm so sorry. Hopefully I could get back into the habit of uploading more frequently. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M169 brush, and I'm going to apply the shade Palm directly into my crease. I'm using both a combination of windshield wiper motions and small circular motions to deposit this color directly into my crease before I start to blend it out. I'm going back in with my Alter Ego blending brush and some more Bahamas because I lost some of the intensity above the crease, as well as to blend out those harsh edges of Palm. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Monte Carlo, and this is going to act as my formal transition shade. It's going to help blend out any harsh edges that Bahamas cause, as well as to blur out and blend out the harshness of my brow bone highlight. For this next step, I'm using my Artist Loft number 2 brush and the NYX white eyeshadow base in the shade white, of course. And I'm going to create like this rectangular box shape on my lid. It's hard to explain, but just watch the video and see how I did it. And that's because I wanted a really crisp working space for the next colors that I apply directly to my lid. I didn't expand it all the way out to my inner and outer lid because I didn't need a white base under the brown eyeshadow. So this was mainly just so that the white eyeshadow and that deep hot pink shade popped even more. I do this trick where I like look up, that way it can transfer above my lid because I have slightly hooded eyes. I don't know, it's like a big ass debate about that, whether I have hooded eyes or not, but I think I do, and that's because like the skin overlaps, but then I have lid space. I don't know, but any fiddles, I went in with my, what brush is this? You know what? I can't remember the damn brush that I use. Oh yeah, I used the Ulta eyeshadow brush to dry the base down a little bit, and as you can see, I'm patting it out because I don't want the base to be too wet. Now I'm going in with the shade Sales using my Morphe M408 brush, and I'm applying it in the shape of a T. First going down the middle, and then I'm going side to side, but I'm making sure to leave a blank space on both sides of the center. The white in this palette is freaking insane. The pigmentation, freaking, like, seriously, like Norvina, like, come the fuck on. Like, you really didn't have to do this. This shit is the bomb. I love this white so freaking much. It just adhered to the brush properly. It built up perfectly. I have no pearls with this shade whatsoever. It's probably like one of my favorite whites that I probably have in my whole eyeshadow collection. Once I'm done applying sails, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M156 brush and back in the shade Bahamas, and I'm going to apply that in the blank space that I left on opposite sides of the white shade that I just placed down. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade Palm using my Morphe M169 brush to apply the brown. And then I'm just going to alternate between all three shades and all three brushes to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly and that there are no harsh edges. I'm going to also slightly overlap each shade just to make sure that everything just, everything is easy peasy. Now I'm using a smudge brush from a Marshall's eyeshadow brush set that I got. It really cheap and inexpensive. I just used that with a little bit of Palm to clean up any of the white that may have transferred into my lid and just make that line really crisp. You can skip that step if you want. It's just me, I was being extremely anal about it and I wanted it to look real crisp. I went in with the NYX Vivid Escape eyeliner and liquid liner. I don't know why the fuck I just had to second guess that. Anyways, I used that to outline right above the white. And the reason I did it above the white is so that even when my eyes are open, you can still see the green peeking through. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Double Extend Mascara. This is hands down one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, and that's because on one side there's a primer and then the other side is just the mascara itself. So I primed my top and bottom lashes and then waited a moment before I applied the mascara itself. As you can see, it gave me length, it gave me volume, it gave me drama. Love this mascara. I went in with the So Cute lashes by Rebel Access, and I've been obsessed with these lashes for months. Like, these shits are sickening. I actually have a code for them in the description box down below if you're interested in them. I did the rest of my face off camera, and then I just came back and applied the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to my waterline, and then I applied the StarCrushed Minerals How to Marry a Millionaire Loose Shadow on top of it because I just wanted a lime green shadow to match with the liquid liner that I applied as well. And then I'm just smudging out some Palm as close to my waterline as possible. And then I'm going to follow it up with some Bahamas and then some Monte Carlo. I like to do my face off camera so that these videos aren't ridiculously lengthy, but if you guys would like to see how I do my full face, I'll try to incorporate it into some upcoming tutorials. I'm going in with my BH V9 pencil brush and I'm applying Seychelles as my inner corner highlight, and this actually completes the look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for sticking through it. Show me some love, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you all soon. Love you. Bye.